Are you a Filipino teacher? If yes, ClassIn is challenging you to their teaching certificate program. The mechanics is very simple. First, you just have to go to your web browser and enter the address facebook.com/groups/phonlineteaching and join their group. Or you may just go to your Facebook account and search the FB group Filipino Educators Community. Second, join or attend the weekly training that they will be posting in their group. Third, record 3 to 5 minute lesson using ClassIn and post it in the Filipino Community Facebook group with the hashtag #FreeClassIn. To download and register to ClassIn, just open your web browser and enter www.classin.com and download the ClassIn software. After downloading, sign up for a free account. Organize your class by clicking the Create Class and share it to your students by copying the link in the Share Class option. Then, create your lesson by clicking the Course tab and then the Add Lesson button. Set your class and start preparing your lesson. ClassIn will be issuing an online teaching certificate to those who are able to complete the lesson uploading. The deadline of the uploading of the lesson is on June 20, 2021. So what you're waiting for? Join our FB group and register and download ClassIn now!